no, fine. Yeah, oh, you got the silkiest furs. Silky, silky. Come here. Come here, rat. Come here, little rat. And pick a spot and lay down, Ollie. Come on. Mama's. Why are you? Look, he's got a bite of my shoulder, my sweater. Look at him. Look at him. He's fucking rabid. Ollie, I was just petting you. Dude, are you out for blood? Get the fuck off of me. I don't want you near me. I think you're like rabid. Go. Come on. I don't want you near me. You have lost your ever fucking loving mind, dude. No. You're fucking lucky I had a sweater on, dude. I'd fucking send you to SPCA right fucking now. No. God, I can't even play with my cat. He literally Demogorgon. Holy shit. All right, Ollie, you're out for blood. Oh, that's fine. That's fine, Ollie. If that's how you feel about me, then best for you to stay away in your old age. I can't believe you'd even try to bite me like that. I know you have dementia and stuff, but that's still... Ow. What the fuck? Okay. Ollie, get downstairs. No. Don't turn back and look at me. Get downstairs, Ollie. You're literally looking at me like, when's the right time to strike? Dude. Fucking scared of you now. I literally... The way you tried attacking me a few times, you... No. I don't want you upstairs, Ollie. Where's my squirt bottle? I need a squirt bottle. Ollie. Ollie. Ollie, you're a dementia patient. I don't want you up here. Ollie. God, this cat is fucking dangerous. He's gonna bite my face off in my sleep. All right, Ollie, I'm gonna get up. 1. All right. I'm gonna get up. You're literally torturing me, right? You're harassing me, staring at me like that, cat. Come on, torture. 1. Don't make me get out the belt. That's a joke. That's a joke. Come on, Ollie. All right, well, once you out of my room, I'm not joking. Come on. Come on, out of my room. I don't. What the fuck am I doing? Why am I being screamed at? Am I being loud? No, I'm not. So I can't even tell my own cat to leave my room. Okay. I can't do anything. That's amazing. So my cat gets to bite me and then harass me by staring at me, and I can't tell him to leave, so I get screamed at. Okay. Considering I'm not even being loud. Okay. Got it. Oh yeah, I'm such the problem. When I've been talking in a quiet voice all night. I just can't do anything, so why do I bother? Shut up, shut up, shut up your whole life, shut up. Okay. I guess I'll shut up then. Oh, I didn't do anything, so I can't tell my cat to leave my room. Not yelling, not screaming at anyone, not breaking anything. Okay. Whatever, just shut the fuck up, bitch, I guess. You're not allowed to talk. You're not allowed to have thoughts or opinions. Okay. Just take the abuse. Don't say anything. Okay. So I get screamed at because of my cat. Thanks, Ollie. Don't fucking ever come back up here again. So I get bit by him, yelled at by my mom. I didn't do anything. Okay. Yeah, I get in trouble because I just got bit. I can't even talk in a normal voice. And I wonder why I was a selective mute most of my life. Oh, it's okay for everyone else to talk, just not you. Got it. Yeah, I'm always the problem. Yeah, not the cat that bit me and then literally just staring me down. I wasn't yelling or screaming. I'm not talking to you. I'm literally talking to myself. It's nice to know I can't do anything right. Even when I'm being quiet, I still shut the fuck up. No, guess what? I guess if my cat didn't get me, I wouldn't have been yelled at. Okay. That's nice. Just every day, always something. I can't do anything right. Yeah, well, I'm glad you ate the last piece of the pizza my boyfriend bought for me. I didn't even get to eat that. I don't even get to eat the food my own boyfriend buys for me. Yeah, I'm glad you thought it was yours. Yeah, have at it. He's feeding me. But sure, eat my last slice. It wasn't for you, it was for me. But I get told to shut up. Okay. But yeah, eat my food that my boyfriend buys for me. That's nice. Just like all the other food that I pay for that I don't even get to eat. Because you guys feel more entitled to my stuff than I. Okay. No, I would have liked to have eaten that piece of pizza. I shared what I shared with you. That doesn't mean you get to eat all of my food. So I'm glad you enjoyed the food my boyfriend bought that I didn't even get the last slice of. Thanks. Did I get mad at you though? No, I let you eat it. You gotta tell me to shut up. You think it would be common courtesy? Oh, I give you what I give you, and you don't eat the last of my stuff. So I don't even get to enjoy the food my own boyfriend buys me. Because someone else has to eat it. Thanks. Appreciate that. Thank you. Oh, it's not as if you don't have your own stuff. But, oh, it's always when it comes around. When it's Jessica's stuff, make sure it's all gone. But you guys have been making your own food since January. So why is all of my stuff getting eaten? Whether I pay for it or Josh buys it for me, why is all of my stuff getting eaten when you guys make your own food? Is that because my food is better? But I don't deserve to eat my food. Okay. Well, next time Josh buys me pizza, I'm not sharing it with anybody. How about that? Since I don't get the same treatment around here like everyone else does. Yeah, it would have been nice if I got to eat that piece of pizza for lunch today. It would have been real nice. I mean, Dad made dinner yesterday. You could have had leftovers of that. You can't even leave my own food to me for me to eat. And what have I done to deserve this? He buys me the stuff so I have stuff to eat. I don't like being taken advantage of. I shared with you. That doesn't mean you get to eat all of it. But I'm glad people feel like I don't even deserve to eat my own food. I mean, did either one of you even say thank you when I told you my boyfriend bought me pizza and I could share it? Neither one of you said thank you. Oh, that's so sweet of him. Tell him I said thanks. No, neither one of you. You just fucking dug in. You just dug in. Not no fucking thank you. Oh, your boyfriend's so kind. Can you tell him thanks? Nothing. But you also feel it's all your food to eat too. That's nice. I got 2 pieces of that pizza. 2. You know, I'm glad people feel that my boyfriend's generosity is theirs to fucking take upon themselves and not even say thank you on top of it. It was just like, oh, what can I take? Ooh. Oh, gee, that was nice of him. He's all the way in Wyoming buying me pizza to share with you guys. I mean, it's mostly mine, but if I want to share it, I can. It doesn't mean eat my last fucking... Where does it say? Eat all of my food. Leave none. You gotta love it. I don't know what I've done to deserve this. I mean, you had leftovers. Could have ate that. That's what I had to do, considering my pizza was eaten. I guess from now on, if Josh buys me something, I guess I'm just going to be selfish. Because there's no common courtesy around here. Like, none. Blows my mind how I'm disrespected. Can't even count how many times my food has been eaten lately. I don't touch other people's stuff. I don't know why I don't get the same respect. It would have been nice to eat that pizza my boyfriend bought me for lunch. And then I would have had the soup for dinner. I didn't get to eat anything for lunch. Huh. Amazing. I get told to shut up, and I'm not even using the inside voice, or I'm not even being loud or screaming or yelling. I just wanted my cat out of my room. Oh, committed another crime, heaven forbid. Always something. I'm always wrong, but yet everyone always eats my food. I guess it'll never end. Funny thing is, they can afford their own pizza, but yet they choose to eat my food, knowing I can't just go out and replace it. That's what kills me. They can replace all the food I eat. I don't. You eat my food, I don't get to replace it. I don't have the money to do that. But I also don't touch their stuff either. So if I can't even use an inside voice, I'm being told to shut up. Okay. I guess I'll just go back to being a selective mute, and people can think I'm stuck up again. I'll just let them think I'm retarded. Doesn't bother me. There's no point in talking to people. It's pretty pointless. Yeah, set me off by telling me to shut up, and I'm talking in a normal voice. It's amazing what you ignore and let bypass. It's very rich. Selective hearing. Very selective. So, no more being nice. Not sharing no more food. And if I can't eat the rest of it, oh well, I'll give it to Possum. Because at least the Possum will appreciate it. So, no more sharing, no more doing nothing for people. So tired of people eating my food. Literally, trying to go downstairs to cook my pizza, and oh, it's in someone else's hands. Oh, that's nice. I didn't know you asked me, but okay, thanks. I remember being screamed at as a child if I didn't ask for something. So I don't know how the same common courtesy doesn't get applied to me. I guess I don't deserve to eat. Oh, that's why she had to make a comment on my weight the other day when she used to call me fat and stuff. Oh, you're so skinny now. Oh, do I ever comment on your weight? That would be kind of rude, wouldn't it? So what makes you think it's okay to comment on your daughter's weight? Especially when you've called me fat and ugly, no man will ever love me and want to marry me. Stupid, worthless, never amount to nothing. So, what is it? What did I do to you? I would love to know. You just have to comment on my weight. Yeah, maybe it's because I haven't been eating. One, because I haven't really been feeling good for the past few months, and because people keep eating my food. Huh. Maybe if I got to eat all the food that was intended for me, maybe I'd have an extra 10 pounds on me. It seems like that'll never happen. No more sharing food. No more being nice. It's not reciprocated, so I'm sorry, Josh. People ate more of the food you ordered for them rather than me. I'm so sorry. And they didn't even say thank you either. It was pretty fucking, rude. But I appreciate everything you do for me, Josh. And I know you're probably not even in here watching, so that's fine. But you know I appreciate it. And it's now kicking on hours later. Okay. Oh my God. That's not good. Holy shit, that's not good. That's not good. I just coughed up blood. And I know she said when I was at the hospital the other day, if you cough up blood, you need to go to the doctor. Great. That's nice. That's fucking blood. Can't tell me that's not fucking blood. That's blood. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't have the money to keep going back to the doctors every fucking time. Why couldn't I cough blood up the day I went to the hospital? That's nice. That's nice. Oh, more blood. Wait, what is that? Is that blood? No, I don't think that's blood, but it fucking looks like it. Too convenient. I have to pee.